aloe vera plant, okay? And then you just cut it in half, and you can squeeze the aloe vera gel out, and you can just squeeze the aloe vera gel into that liquid that you already have. You can add any kind of oil, any type of oil of your choice, any oil that you know that is good for your hair. Just add the oil into it. For me, I went ahead to add extra virgin oil because my hair do love extra virgin oil, guys, okay? The most oil that I use on my hair is extra virgin oil and Jamaica black castor oil. Yes, these are the favorite oil that my hair loves. So I do went ahead to add 1 spoon of extra virgin oil. So you can also go ahead and add any oil of your choice. Your liquid is ready to use. So this liquid is very, very good when it comes to strengthening your hair, and as well as growing your natural hair, moisturizing your scalp, and prevent your hair from dandruff, and as well as from itchy scalp. Guys, this liquid is powerful. It's really going to strengthen your hair. Okay, you just have to challenge yourself for these 3 days. I know it stinks a little bit because of the onion, but you know, yeah, it's 3 days challenge. I don't think it's a lot. So this is my hair, guys, from the rice water challenge that I just did in my videos. If you guys want to go and check that video out, my hair is looking really beautiful. Like, I really love the result that the rice water gave to my hair. My hair looks so thick and it looks so strong right now. This is actually what I want for my hair, to be honest. My hair, if you have been watching me since I started my hair journey, my hair was so thin, okay? It's so light and very soft. So I always look for something that can strengthen my hair. So rice water really did that good job for my hair. The two things that I have been noticing that is strengthening my hair a lot is rice water and clove. Yeah, these 2 ingredients are very, very powerful when it comes to strengthening, and they can really strengthen your hair. So if you already have like a very strong or hard hair, I would advise that you keep yourself away from rice water, okay? Because rice water can really dry out your hair, and it can cause a lot of damage. So I was actually so lucky that it didn't damage my hair, because I also explained a little bit how I used the rice water into my hair in that video. So if you guys want to go and check it out, okay, I do use it every day, but I wash my hair twice for that 1 month that I did the challenge, and the result was amazing. My hair feels so good right now. Like, I really love my hair. It feels so thick and it's really full, okay? And yeah, so you just have to spray this liquid into your hair, and if you have more left, you can go ahead and do the challenge more. But for me, I just wanted to do 3 days straight challenge for my hair and to see what this liquid does to my hair, and it was amazing at the end, and my hair really loves it. And yeah, just spray it into your hair, massage the liquid into your scalp for 3 days, okay? Yes, so you have to face that 3 day smell, okay? Yes, if you want something in your life, work hard for it, okay? If you want to grow your hair, apply garlic into your hair. Yes, it will grow your hair. So you have to be consistent, and you have to give your hair time to grow, and you have to love your hair, of course, and then your hair will definitely grow. So yeah, this is my hair. I sprayed this liquid into my hair every like 3 days straight, and just massage my hair and cover my hair with a plastic bag and sleep overnight. And I was actually using the t-shirt that I'm wearing here to cover my hair the whole time. So after spraying the liquid into my hair, I would just use the t-shirt to cover my hair, and then, you know, put my hair bonnet on top and put a towel on my pillow so that it doesn't stain if there's any other liquid that was gonna come out. So apparently it works really nice. And then after 3 days, I rinse the liquid out, and then I give my hair a break. Yes, so that's it, and I hope you guys like and enjoy this video. If you want to give this liquid a try, just give it a try, guys. It's not difficult to make, as you guys can see how I prepare it, and it's really gonna help to grow your hair. And if you also want to just plait your hair after using this liquid, you can just cornrows your hair for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Trust me, guys, if you take down your cornrows, your hair is going to grow. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and hope to catch you in my next one. Much love. Bye.